Budgeting 101, How to Manage Your Money. When it comes to managing your finances, budgeting is the foundation of financial stability and growth. Especially as a young adult, learning how to budget effectively can help you gain control over your money, reduce stress, and set yourself up for future financial success. Let's dive into the basics of budgeting, why it matters, and how to get started. Why budgeting matters. Budgeting is a way to plan how you'll spend and save your money. It helps you track your spending. By knowing where your money goes, you can avoid overspending and identify areas where you might cut back. Build financial discipline. Budgeting helps you make conscious spending decisions and resist impulse purchases. Achieve financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing in a business idea. Budgeting helps you allocate funds toward your goals. Reduce financial stress. Having a clear financial plan can alleviate the stress that comes with managing bills, saving, and unexpected expenses. Step 1. Calculate your income. To begin budgeting, start by knowing exactly how much money you have coming in. For many young adults, this might include wages from a job. Calculate your take-home pay after taxes. Side hustle income. If you have a side gig, include your earnings here. Allowances or gifts. Money from family or friends can also be part of your income. Other sources. If you have investments or receive scholarships, add that income as well. Make sure you're calculating your monthly income, as most budgets work best when planned on a month-to-month basis. Step 2. List your expenses. Your expenses fall into two main categories: fixed expenses, things you need to pay monthly like rent or car payments, and variable expenses, which can change month to month, like groceries or entertainment. Fixed expenses: rent, car payments, insurance, subscription services, and loan payments. Variable expenses: food, transportation, entertainment, personal care, and shopping. Tracking your expenses over a couple of months can give you a clearer picture of your spending habits. Consider using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make this easier. Step 3. Set financial goals. Setting clear financial goals will give your budgeting a purpose. These goals can be short-term, saving for a concert next month; medium-term, saving for a new laptop in the next year; or long-term, building an emergency fund. When setting goals, use the SMART method. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, save $500 in 3 months for a new phone is specific and time-bound, helping you stay on track. Step 4. Choose a budgeting method. There are a few popular budgeting methods to consider. 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% of your income on needs: housing, food, transportation; 30% on wants, entertainment, dining out; and 20% on savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar of your income a job so that your income minus expenses equals zero. This method requires planning each expense carefully. Envelope system. Allocate cash into different envelopes for each category, like groceries, entertainment. Once an envelope is empty, that category's spending is done for the month. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your budget. Budgeting is not a set-it-and-forget-it activity. At the end of each month, review your budget to see how well you stuck to it. If you overspent in a category, consider adjusting next month's budget. If you saved more than expected, that's extra money for your goals. Regular monitoring helps you adjust to changes in income, unexpected expenses, and shifts in financial goals. Remember, budgeting is flexible and should work with you and your current financial situation. Tips for sticking to your budget. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings so you're saving before you spend. Limit impulse purchases. If you're tempted by an impulse buy, wait 24 hours and see if it's still something you really want. Use cash for discretionary spending. When possible, use cash for things like dining out or entertainment. It's easier to stay within budget when you can visually track spending. Take advantage of budgeting apps. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can simplify budgeting and tracking. Building long-term financial success. Budgeting is an essential habit for young adults looking to build financial independence. Over time, you'll not only become more disciplined with your money, but also gain confidence in making financial decisions. Mastering budgeting will empower you to take charge of your finances, allowing you to save, invest, and enjoy life without the stress of financial uncertainty. With a solid budget, you're setting the foundation for a successful financial future. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.